Nzama ya uumwe na wiwanithyo wa enenthi Ncic niyakulya Mutongoi wa Azimio Raila Raila Odinga aungamye miatianio ila withiitwe aitwaiisya ya kuleana na musumbi William Ruto nikwithiwa niyambiisye kuvalaan'ya muuo va Kenya. Ncic yiasya kana kumanwa na mbumbano uumwe wambee wiwoka pena syiko 10 ila maendelee na ukunikila sya maoneni ma kuingianisya enenthi ila siumanite na uteti uwaitina wa Onyuvani Benjamin.
Utaletia lite no kana kikungu cha utetu olei kukinya naye mutano wa kibera wikendi zama kungamia uumwe na wiwanithyo wa enenthi Ncic niyende kukunu ya idho nene mbumbano na yenda Mutongoi wa Azimio Raila Odinga kungamia uteti iwetani wambee kuany'a enenthi na kuvalaan'ya muuo wa nthi. Uone mwana kivila wa Nzama Reverend Dr. Samuel Kobia.
With the elections behind us, we are happy that Kenyans accepted the results and have moved on with their daily lives. And that is why, therefore, we would like to call upon the former Prime Minister to cease with these political rallies and any plans that might be there for demonstrations.
Kuleana na Ncic ni kana enenthi ni maaminie wia uo wa kukuna kula na unyuvi wa Dr. William Ruto tawe musumbi wa katano wa ikithwa ni mivya aungamye ila ni Nzama ya IEBC na koti munene wina hukumu wa Supreme na mausungi wa metikilika va Kenya ile mbetani Afrika na nthi syonthe na kwa kuendea kuvaka masolo nyuvani ni kuingianisya enenthi.
Kenya has institutions, systems, and structures that are working and working well. Kenyans have said, according to the reports that we have and the evaluation, that they wanted to really be left alone to continue with their lives because they did their part. They voted. They elected persons that were candidates in all the positions.
Kuka kufikia Ncic wetari na ukuso wa mauneni mbe wa 10 onde mamwayu wambee ma atatikiwa kanyo kuingianisya enenthi kumanwa na mithyomo uteti wolei na juthi ethiwe yose ya kila muteti matambia maki miao eweka.
In the month of January alone, January 2023, we have had those 10 hate cases and 20 misinformation. Leaders who speak at these political rallies must be aware that they will be held personally responsible for their utterances.
Mood ya campaigns ama ya siasa wakati huu sio wakati yake. Wale wanasiasa wako na shida wa sasa hivi watumia fursa yao na nguvu zao kusuluhisha shida za Wakenya. Tuachane na kufungua mambo ya kura ambayo tulifunga.
Ateti molei methitwe mathie ya kana kula mbitu sio sumbe ni siangeiwe na menda President William Ruto hevetange kivilani. Ondumwe na unyuvani owe kwa ukunikili ni makundi manthi sya Nzama aungamye ati ongaliko ya serikali. Ivuthisya mbumbano ini na wetie Azimio yambiisye miatianio thiungamiwe ni itongana evo President unenukie Uhuru Kenyatta ila itenda kuivia mali yo koti.
Leaders have a responsibility because of the consequences arising from those activities. We know that this could easily lead to violence, and if that happens in one place, it will happen in another place. Before we know it, the country is engulfed into really a situation that will make lives of Kenyans much worse than it is today. During the rallies that have gone recently, Honorable Raila Odinga did not utter any words or phrases that would fit within the mandate of Ncic to summon them. So because of that, we are not going to summon him for that.
Dilivotia vilingi wa mauvo kumava musini wa Ilovi nye nita wa Benjamin mwaka.